Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So how are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today, as you already know from the title, I'm going to be making this special drink. Yes, this anti-aging drink that is full of important antioxidants that will help so well to make you ageless. Like this will help to slow down your aging process and make sure you are looking younger all the time. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So if you need a facial treatment like anti-aging masks, I have them a lot in this channel. Just check it out and they work very well. Those are the things that helps a lot to clarify your skin, make your skin glow and ageless. So if you want something to drink, to take care of the inner parts, inside out, this remedy I'm about to share will help you greatly. So keep watching. All right, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video to everyone. All right, so let's go. So I'm about to make this drink for you to age less. Your aging process will get slower and slower. So the first ingredient you have to get is tomato. So tomato is so full of antioxidants, packed with important nutrients and vitamins that will help to nourish you in and out. They are anti-aging superfood that preserves and maintains a healthy skin, preventing skin aging and makes skin plumpy and reduces fine lines. So this is highly important. If you have not been eating tomato, you have to try it now because it will go a long way to improve your skin from the inside out. So another important one to add is apple. So apple here will help so well because the compound in apple can help to slow down aging process. The vitamin C in apple helps to speed up skin cell production, like helping to make sure your skin looks radiant, younger and very clean. So apple and tomato are so important for you to make sure you age less. If you have wrinkles already, this will help to gradually fade them away. Very important for you. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly to remove all this because we're making a very healthy drink that way. That you have to drink to nourish yourself, clarify your skin, improve your skin complexion, build the skin's collagen, and make sure you age less. You will age slowly. So just wash it thoroughly, cut it and transfer into the blender. So I'm also going to add ginger. So here is a fresh one. Fresh is always better when you're making a drink. So ginger is an antioxidant which helps to preserve your skin's collagen, slowing down the aging process of your skin, in and out, of course. Yes, in and out. Protects your skin from free radicals and prevents them from infection. So I've made some remedies to fight infection, and ginger is one of the ingredients in that drink, okay? So I'm going to peel it, wash it thoroughly, transfer into the blender, just like the others. So here is our healthy drink. You can decide to strain it or not, but I so much love straining mine because I prefer to drink it light and not thick. Alright, so just strain it out. If you are going to be making more quantity, increase all the ingredients so that you can be able to get more drinks, okay? Get more drink out of it. This is just perfect to do the job, to get you a clear skin, to nourish your skin, So what I'll do right now is to transfer it into the cup, into the glass. Very healthy drink for you. Yes, this drink is highly important. Like, I love this drink a lot. You can go ahead and add honey because honey is also important here. Honey has probiotics, antioxidants, nutrients, and enzymes which all work together to nourish and plump the skin, making the skin elastic and naturally hydrated from within. So if you don't want to add this, you can decide to skip it, but it works perfectly, okay? So right now, I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of honey. So just add 1 tablespoon, mix it thoroughly. This is for 1 glass, okay? If you want to make more than this, just increase the quantity as I said earlier. After mixing it, go ahead and take it in the morning or take it in the afternoon, but not at night, okay? So this is powerful. Instead of taking soft drink or soda drinks all the time, you can alternate with this healthy drink that contains powerful ingredients that will help to ensure your skin is glowing, that will make sure you age less. So go ahead and make yours, take it every day, be repeating it every day until you're okay with it. If you want to know what to apply on your skin, just check my channel, okay? You will see some facial marks, facial scrub that will help to delay signs of aging, like on the outer parts, making sure your skin is very glowing, erasing those fine lines and wrinkles. Very effective. This drink will help to treat it inside and out also, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. 조심하는데도 티가 나나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어.